Hi, good evening. How are you all? Today I'm going to show you a new tool which is based on the PDF to DICOM conversion smoothly and sent to the PACS automatically. So first of all, let's start with the login in the system. This is about PDF to DICOM conversion. Medical grade security, fast conversion, role based access, PACS integration directly. Let's log in on the system. This is the login, and you can see the upload PDF new file, total upload completed, sent to PACS, and all history recent uploaded here. So let's go to the click on either upload or this upload button. This is the simple, just right click. Let me show you first file, and this is the file we have. This is the sample PDF file which we need to convert and send to the PACS. So first of all, let's click on here, click on the document and type the eco test file, and we type the patient ID, whatever, we did 111255 and the study date, the doc modality type, upload, and convert. It will be converted and sent to PACS automatically. You can send active user 1, total uploads 1. So once it will be sent to the PACS, it will be also updated here. And this is a recent upload. You can review the detail here. So let's see if this document are available in the PACS or not. This is my PACS. Let's select the document type, document. Okay, order by newest first. Let's submit. Eco test file. You guys can see this is the eco test file, and let's check this file viewed in the DICOM viewer or not. Okay, so let's go to the viewer. Currently we have 32 study. Let's refresh it. Sorry. Okay, now we have a 33 studies, and let me check our document. Yeah, this is the eco test file, the one I have shown you. This is received in the PACS. Yeah, this is the same document which is converted and sent to the PACS, and from PACS it is integrated with the DICOM viewer easily. And also, if you use for the teleradiology purpose, echocardiographic test machine, I can show you how you can integrate with the teleradiology model and reporting of the stress test echocardiography machine. So just click on there. Let me log into my teleradiology system. Click on the admin, login information. Okay, currently we have a same 32 study, and I have synchronized the new study from the PACS. And so it will show you the imported one real study from PACS. It will be now 33 studies. So once I will need to assign this study to the radiologist and eco test file. This one is the study. So if you want to view the study here, you can click on here. We can view a study also. You can see this is the same study which we have opened in this viewer. Okay, so close it. Let's assign this study to the doctor, Dr. John. Assign study is assigned, and let's log out and log in with the radiologist. Okay, this is Dr. John screen, and it shows one studies and one finalized report. This is the dashboard. Let's go to the backlist, and this is the eco test file. Let's start the reporting. Once we click on the start, the study will be open to the two side. One side is the eco test, this one file, and another side You can select this is the demo. You can also select any template which you have uploaded in the system, or if you have the own template, you can also upload it. Click on this, whatever you guys have the see the test machine, and just click on the study is saved. Now you can also finalize, and even if you want to view the send this to external EMR, you can also send this system to the external. Click on the external, select the hospital EMR system, and send to the selected EMR. It will be sent to the external EMR also through HL7. So this system Teleradiology system have the capability to send externally. You can see the level. Go back. Study is finalized, and total finalized to 0 total currently assigned. If I go to my reports, and this is the echo test report and diagnostic and MRI after. We can, if we check this, click on this. Yep, it will be shown like here. Yeah, like here. And modality type doc, echo test file, the patient ID, whatever we can enter in the DICOM data, it will be shown here. Close it. So if I click on again here, we can view same study also. This one. Okay, so this one, sorry, this was the study. Yeah, same study we have opened here. So that's good. Thank you very much. This is the system. If anyone wants the PDF DICOM 1 version, contact me on my Fiverr, link in the description. And thank you for the watching. Take care. Bye bye.